Hello, I'm Yousef from Kiddy School, and I've made this project to spread ocean awareness and the problems that the Arctics are facing. So, as you can see here, there's a science lab. There's some boats. There's a destroyed Inuit camp. There's polar bears. There's penguins over here, and it showcases that around the Arctic. So let me show you across. So over here we have the science lab. Let me show you the fishing places where you're supposed to get started. So you can clearly see here, a lot of the ice is melted over here. And this is intentional because it reflects the Arctic and how over the years, the melting has gone worse and worse due to climate change. So over here, as you can see, there is an iceberg hunter, and iceberg hunting is not very good because it thaws ice quicker. And as you can see over here, I have some text. Iceberg hunting is another problem. As it melts ice faster and can release unknown greenhouse gases or chemicals, it quickens the process of ice melting and also thaws permafrost through it. And you can see over here, the penguins are losing their habitat. They cannot continue without ice, stand on, or kind of at least survive on it. Their fish is depleting and their source of food is going. The polar bears are facing the same situation over here, and Inuit camps over there are being destroyed by tourism or over tourism and the melting, so they cannot fish in certain days, and this is becoming worse and worse every day. Over there, there's some overfishing going on over there, which means that quickens the process of fish depleting. And by 2050, it's predicted that all fish are going to be gone from the ocean, which also acidifies the ocean, therefore making it collapse and overall making all marine life disappear, which will affect our own entire planet. Here we have a lot of information from the science labs, and these are people who are conducting experiments and finding out that the oceans are actually melting and it's going higher and higher each day. As you can clearly see here, global warming is affecting our lives, not just the Arctic, but the entire world. It's a long term temperature increase, which is rising rapidly, and then actually due to human activities such as the hunting of fossil fuels, burning of fossil fuels, unhealthy transport vehicles, deforestation, and cattle farming, and etc. These all have one thing in common: greenhouse gases into the atmosphere and deplete to replace oxygen. These include nitrous oxide, methane, and the most infamous carbon dioxide. All of these cause temperature increase in our atmosphere, and if we keep going as we are, more and more will be released into melt ice caps, making the sea warmer and higher. This will actively cause ecosystems in the Arctic caps to slowly melt away. So what can we do about this? We must protest for laws, the government laws on overfishing, iceberg hunting, and fit new laws for endangered habitats to not be torn due to litter killing animals. We must recycle plastics and sustainable resources. We need to make the change, then we can finally stop. We created the problem, so now we must fix it. If we save our oceans, we save for the future. Thank you for listening.